I want to start by reminding you that you've got several things on Wiley Plus that will be useful in studying for the test. One is this Orion personalized practice. If you go here, you'll get problems that are targeted to the areas that you've missed or you didn't understand. It's excellent practice. The other thing is if you are having trouble using the Marvin Sketch, they have a practice here where you get sample things to draw, and then it has an actual video showing you how to draw them. Okay, I want to show you how to draw the arrows, and we'll be drawing resonance structures for this compound. First, I'm going to put the lone pairs on the oxygen. Now, here we have lone pairs and they're next to a carbocation. So we're going to get a resonance. These electrons here on the oxygen are going to form a double bond here. So let's click on the oxygen, then we're going to click on the electrons. And then we're going to indicate the bond between the oxygen and the carbon. Okay? And then when we draw it, we're going to get usually when I draw stuff out, I will just draw it like it's carbons and then go back and put the oxygens in. There's going to be a double bond here. The positive charge is gone on this oxygen, and we're going to have a positive charge on this oxygen. I'm sorry, the carbon no longer has a positive charge, and the oxygen has the positive charge. And we're done.